Do you hear it? Ha ha! Now, don't freak out and go to the comments about this. Just wait. If you don't wait and you comment about this insulation, I'm going to tell you, go back and watch the video. So just wait. AC's installed. It is up and running, and the CoolBot is temporarily, right here. It is functioning. However, it is like 12 degrees outside. So 12 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm not sure yet if this is really going to run all that often. So I'm going to leave it be for a little bit. I've got a SensorPush in here, this little guy, fresh battery. That's in there so I can monitor it and just see how it does. But it's up and running. Now, this. Oh, did you hear it kick off? It got cool enough in here so it stopped. This is temporary. And the reason for that is it's 12 degrees outside. So if I foam any of this, right? Other way. If I foam like that here, it's not going to work. So this is just a temporary stopgap until it gets warm enough again, which should be like Wednesday, to go ahead and remove this from all around the border. And then on the other side, there's some jammed in these holes here. All that can come out, and then I can spray foam around all of this. But it's functioning. I need to clean this again. I've got some fin cleaner, AC coil cleaner, and I just need to clean that some more. But it's rocking. It took me way too many tries to get this thing in here. My brain's not working today, but it's okay. It's done, and now we're going to monitor the temperature. We're going to see how things do without anything in here, and without any additional insulation. It was maintaining temperature even in the 12 degrees Fahrenheit weather, and it was actually 8 or 9 this morning. It was still in the low 70s in this room. So what I'm wondering is, now with this open and this pulling in external air, and allowing external air in, I think it's going to get chilly in here. I am going to check the humidity. I might put the dehumidifier in here. That will kind of balance that out a little bit. For now, we'll see how that maybe doesn't work so well in the more humid, hot summer days. But for right now, it might help put a little heat in the room. But I'm just going to let it run and see. I'll come back later tonight and maybe put some mealworms in here. But yeah, up and running. I get my office back soon. I'm excited about that. So the CoolBot is functioning as it should. I have not spray foamed, so as you can tell all around me, I still haven't spray foamed. And the CoolBot is not going to function properly. You will not be successful if you don't have that R25 and above. So check their website. Really impressed with the CoolBot so far. The app is super nice. You can go and change the settings, adjust it. On the days that it was going to be really cold in the evening, because I was in the office, not in a cooler, I turned it up a little bit remotely with the app. I put it up in like the 60s so that it wouldn't kick on for a while and the temperature went up. And then it helped to, like overnight, it went down about 5 or 6 degrees. And so being able to remotely control this CoolBot Pro, that's the big benefit with the Pro, is the Wi-Fi, the app to control it, so that I didn't have to walk over here in the cold weather. But that's where we are right now. So door was done yesterday, AC's in now, and now it's just monitor with this sensor. He's hiding right there with that SensorPush. Check the links in the description here. The URL or the CoolBot website, use the discount code below to get $50 off to get your own, to build your own DIY cooler. You don't have to store mealworms in yours, you can store whatever you want. I get nothing out of that. All that money I had them send to you to get the full discount of $50 that CoolBot can sustain. So nothing comes my way. I think that's everything for now. I will monitor and adjust. Maybe put some mealworms in here overnight. Maybe put the dehumidifier in here. We're just going to see how the temperature goes. It's supposed to be really super cold again tonight. So I might just wait until tomorrow after seeing what happens in the dip before I tinker with anything or put mealworms in here. So more to come. If you have any questions, let me know.